One, your power of attorney does nothing after you pass. So people think they don't need a will because they have a power of attorney, and then therefore that person could like sell the house. Power of attorneys, they're done once you pass away. There's no longer that principle where the agent can act for. So therefore it's done. That's number one. Number two, there's a common misconception that because husband and wife are both on the title of the house, it will automatically pass to the survivor. And unless there's language specifying that, that is not the case in Texas. And this is a huge pitfall for mixed families because if we have it set up like that, where it's husband and wife and they have children from a previous marriage, you could find yourself in a situation where you now co-own the property with your decedent's children. And that, I mean, I'm sure you see that too sometimes, where now that's not what people were intending. They thought because both names are on the deed that it automatically passed over, but that's not the case in Texas. And that's something, I mean, when I bought a house, I didn't know that. And that's something as a estate planning attorney is like, we can help you with that or help with the deeds. But that's a big one. Because if it's husband and wife and they have all the bank accounts set up correctly where it's payable on death, the right of survivorship, people think they don't have to go through a probate, but then they go try to sell the house and decedent's name is still on it.
When I was a baby real estate agent with my Texas real estate license was dripping because it was so new, it was so freshly printed off the press. I had a situation like that because you just don't know, right? You're a beginning agent, grandma's calling you over to sell the house and you realize, oh, wait a minute, the title company calls you, go, hey, wait a minute, we got a problem here. Now, but the problem is we have a buyer. We have a buyer now in contract, right? And that's the problem.
Mhm.
The first is that this is why in selecting a real estate agent or a real estate broker to sell a house in this situation, it's important that you choose someone that has some experience because I can tell you for a fact, I don't know if you know this, Keely, but around 75% of agents did not sell a house last year in the United States. Okay. The average agent is only selling 2 or 3 houses. So just having a real estate license in itself, yes, it gives you the
The
permission, the
ability, yeah.
legal ability to do brokerage services for money, but and represent other people in a real estate transaction. But I can tell you right now, like, someone who just got their real estate license, they're not going to know all these things that we're talking about.